now that we've got our turkey onto our hamabichi here, I'm just coming in with my melted butter. I'm getting that all over our cranberries, our green beans. We've got our instant mash here, our sweet potatoes, corn, and our apples. We are making a full Thanksgiving feast on the hamabichi today. Super easy, fun for the entire family. I am just putting a little bit of extra butter on our bird here because we want her to be nice and moist, and she is gonna take a little while to cook through, but I think this is gonna be a very satisfying and delicious feast. Alrighty, y'all, I'm just gonna add some fresh ground black pepper onto everything here. Well, I'm keeping it kind of off the sweet potatoes here, but I am putting it on the corn, I am putting it on our green beans, I am putting some on our soon-to-be mashed potatoes here. And a little bit of salt, same thing. Look, I'm just kind of getting this all over our bird, on our corn here, on our soon-to-be mashed potatoes, and our green beans. Coming in with some garlic powder, and I'm just gonna put this all down the corn. Y'all, I love garlic. I'm a garlic lover. We need her seriously dressed in garlic. I just think it makes everything taste amazing. It's good for your heart. It lowers your bad cholesterol. There's just so many good health benefits of garlic. All right, I am just gonna put a little bit of celery around my girl here. It's gonna keep everything nice and moist, provide a really nice flavor. And we are just laying these stalks down. It's gonna bring to the savory parts of the dish a nice added addition. I'm a big fan of celery. We are adding in a little bit of onion just to our savory pieces. Once again, like I said, perfect. This is looking really, really good. Gorgeous. All right, we're just gonna come in with some of our turkey gravy. That is gonna help us flavor this entire dish. Of course, you put on gravy later too. I just like to put it on as part of the cooking process before we have our turkey drippings, and it just keeps the turkey nice and moist, like I said, and brings it a lot of flavor, those added spices and flavor onto it. Alrighty, I'm just closing the lid onto my hamabichi. We're gonna let our bird cook. It's gonna take a couple hours depending on the pounds and size of your bird. Happy Thanksgiving! All right, y'all, it's been several hours and our Thanksgiving feast is all cooked up. Look at this beautiful bird. Isn't she gorgeous? And we've got all our favorite foods here. This was so quick, so easy. I'm just gonna get myself a piece of, look at that, cooked to perfection. Oh my gosh. I love it. I'm gonna put a little bit of that onto my plate here. Whoop, I love that crispy skin, y'all. That's my favorite part. And now I'm just gonna grab some extras with my hamabichi flipper here. I have got my cranberry and my green beans, delicious. Some sweet potatoes and corn. My mom always tells me I don't eat enough around the holidays. All right, y'all, moment of truth. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is so good. Oh, Thanksgiving feast. You gotta try it.